Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to fix Suno AI app not working problem. So there might be various reasons why your application is not working. First of all, make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. Sometimes your application might not be working because of the poor connection. So make sure to be connected to a stable internet connection. But if you're connected to a stable network connection but still your application is not working, it might be because your application is not updated. In that case, what you have to do is update the application. So launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. You'll be able to find several options at bottom. Simply tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the search bar that you can see at top. Type in Suno AI. Now you'll be able to find the results for Suno AI over here. Simply tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right now my application is already updated. That's why I'm being able to see the option for open over here. But if your application is not updated, instead of open option, you'll be able to find the option for update. All you have to do is tap on it, wait for a while and your application will be updated. Now once your application is updated, your problem should be fixed. But if your application is still not working, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache of the application. For that, what you have to do is launch open the app library on your device, find the application for Suno AI and long press on it. Now tap on the option App Info. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the App Info interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. Find the option for storage and cache and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the storage interface. You'll be able to find two options over here: clear storage, clear cache. Tap on the option clear cache. Now after that, the cache of your application will be cleared and your problem can be solved. But if your application is still not working, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and install it again. After that, your application will surely work. But still, if your application is not working, what you can do is simply try restarting your device. Sometimes there might be some software glitches on your device. That's why your application might not be working. So what you can do is simply long press on the power button. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. Tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted and your problem should be fixed. So that is how you fix Suno AI app not working problem. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.